Just like human fingerprints, no two giraffes have the same coat pattern. 2. Giraffe tongues are bluish-purple and between 45 and 50 centimeters long. 3. After the elephants and rhinos, giraffes are the third heaviest animals in the world. 4. Female giraffe give birth standing up. Their young fall about 2 meters to the ground and can stand up within an hour of birth. 5. Male giraffes can test a female's fertility. The male giraffe can test a female's fertility by tasting her urine. Males would take mouthful of a female's urine to know if she'd be a good mate or not. 6. Giraffes don't like to be alone. They live in groups called towers. Giraffes are social animals. 7. Giraffe only drink once every few days. Even when water is readily available, evidence shows that many giraffes do not drink regularly, sometimes not at all. 8. Giraffes consume over 35 kilos of food per day. They spend most of their time eating to meet their caloric need of around 35 kilos. They spend most of their time standing up. 9. Giraffes sleep only 5 to 30 minutes every day. Usually they stand up to sleep. They only lie down if another giraffe can stand watch.